Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video. And our core vocabulary word that we will be targeting is show. Show is a verb, so it's most likely going to be green on your AAC system. And show means for us to allow or cause something to be visible. Now let's find our word show on some different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic, the TouchTat app from Sotillo. Show.
Show.
On LAMP, Words from Life from PRC, the 84 full version of the vocabulary, show.
Show.
On Snap Core First from Tobii Dynavox, the 63 grid, show.
Show.
Now let's use our word show for some different functions of communication. I could ask a question and say, can I show mine next? I could make a statement and say, my show and tell is about dogs. I could make a comment and say, she showed us a cool book. I could encourage someone to express their feelings and say, it's okay to show your feelings. I could use my word to protest and say, no, I don't want to show my work. I could make a request and say, I want to show my Pokemon cards to Paul. I could direct an action or give a command and say, Sally, show us how to add 10 plus 2. All right, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video where we learned how to use the word show for different ways of communication. If you like this video and you would like to check out how we target other core vocabulary words and show how to use them for different functions of communication, check out the playlist over here. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.